It's time for Mama Mirabelle's home movies.
In all my far-flung travels round the world 6 times at least, made a movie star of every creature, found beauty in every beast.
Mama Mirabelle's home movies. Mama Mirabelle's home movies.
From up north in Nome, Alaska, way back down to Kathmandu, round the Horn past Bora Bora, then due east by Peru.
All around the world, every creature Mama's met. Rick sits years and comes a-running to the sound of her trumpet.
Everybody,
Mama Mirabelle's home movies. Mama Mirabelle's home movies. Mama Mirabelle's home movies.
All clear! Hey, Mama!
and just where are you skittle-scattling off to, little Max of mine? You hold Mama's tail when you cross.
Mama, I'm not a baby.
There'll be plenty of time to crisscross all by yourself when you're big.
Why do I have to swim in the baby water hole?
You can swim in the big kid hole when you're bigger, Maxie.
And then something leapt out of the dark and went around the corner and found the...
Max, Bo's spooky tales are gonna keep you up half the night.
Oh, Mama, I'm not scared.
Just the same, why don't you come sit by me?
I want to hear spooky stories too, Mama.
You can hear all the spooky stories you want.
When I'm bigger, I know. But I'm way bigger than those itty-bitty mice, and they get to go where they want.
It's not about size, it's about being ready.
I guess I'm never going to be ready.
You know what, Maxie? There's some things that can't be hurried, and being ready to go someplace by yourself is one of them.
But when, Mama? When will I be ready?
Oh, I know it's hard to be patient sometimes, Maxie, when there's something you want. But whenever I feel like I want things to happen faster, there's a little something I do.
What?
I slow down.
Mama, what are you doing?
I'm walking really, really slowly. Have you ever tried to walk as slowly as you can? Try it with me. Slower, slower, slower.
Mama, what's that supposed to do?
Well, mainly it just takes my mind off the thing that's not happening fast enough, if you want to know the truth.
Well, I guess it helped. For a second.
Well, you know what? I think there's a movie right over here that'll help chase those not big enough blues away. Movie time, it's movie time. Mama Mirabelle's home movie time. Roaming friends, lend me an ear. When you hear that call, roam over here. Everybody's welcome, one and all. So swing, swoop, splatter or crawl to Mama Mirabelle's big home movie show. Fireflies, light it up. Well, when it comes to doing things that the bigger folks do, Most little ones want to dive right in. And that goes double for little Billy Beaver here. He's just itching to build dams and gnaw on trees. But first, in order to leave the lodge, he's got to be able to hold his breath for a long, long time. To his mama, it's as plain as the teeth on her face that he's not ready to do that. But just try telling him that.
Yeah, his mama's got her hands full.
And how? Harvey the Harpy Eagle wants to take wing and see the world. But all he can do for now is hop.
Boing, boing, boing.
To him, it seems like he'll never get off the ground. What Harvey doesn't realize is that it's just not his time to fly yet. He won't even be able to learn to fly until he swaps those baby feathers for more grown-up feathers. But they don't have to wait forever. When young ones are ready, their mama lets them go.
Geronimo! Whoa, that's really high. I wouldn't want to do that, even if I was ready.
Well, that's the thing, Max. That's why you shouldn't compare yourself to what everybody around you is doing.
Quack, quack.
Because the plain truth is, everybody's different.
I'll say that's different. Now he's upside down.
And if you try to get out into the world on your own before your time, well, you might get yourself into a tight spot.
Oh, he's stuck.
One of the main things that's difficult for young ones is getting food on their own. And when you don't eat...
It makes me kind of cranky.
Oh, it sure does. And if you don't eat, it keeps you from growing. And that keeps you from ever being ready to explore the world on your own. Just like these loggerhead turtles are getting ready to do.
Whoa, there's no stopping them.
But Mama, don't you see? I'm like a loggerhead turtle. I'm ready to do things on my own right now.
You are?
Yes, I am. And I'm gonna prove it. I'm gonna go across the plain all by myself and swim in the big kid water hole and hear all the scary stories I want, starting now. Can he do that?
Well, I guess if Max says he's ready, then I guess he's ready to give it a try.
Really? I mean, yeah, really. So I'll see you guys later. Bye, Maxie.
Bye, Max.
So long. Here I go. Leaving now. Yup. Yes, indeed. Ah, yes. This is the life. Just one elephant out on his own. Hello? Who's there? What's that? Yeah! Oh! Yeah! Oh!
Max!
I was on my way, and then I got worried you might, miss me.
Oh, I would have, Maxie. We all would have.
Oh, okay. So I'm not ready to go out on my own. So what am I supposed to do until then?
I think maybe I have a movie to answer that question. When we're young, we need our parents for a lot of things. With elephants, the adults have a really terrific sense of direction, so we can show you where to go. We can also protect you from danger. And besides, staying with Mama for a while isn't so bad, is it? Dolphins stick with their mamas for a long time, and they manage to have quite a bit of fun.
They like swimming together.
Oh, look how graceful they are in the water.
And as for chimpanzees, well, see for yourself.
He's hugging his mummy.
And when you're ready to try your wings a little, well, it's nice to know that if you're ever stuck out on a limb, Mama is always there.
Yeah,
It's nice to know your mama will always be there when you're up
Just hanging out.
and when you're down, too.
No.
Everybody's in such a hurry to grow up. But you know what? Sticking around for a while with Mama until you're ready isn't always a bad thing. After all, what's wrong with staying a while with someone who loves you as much as your mama and your daddy does?
Oh, look at that little guy.
What's he looking at?
No. He wants to play. Mama.
Bo, where are you going?
I think I hear someone calling me.
Yeah, I think my mum's calling me.
See, no matter how big you are, you're never too big for your mama's love.